What you girls doing? Hey there, what you doing? Hey there, what you doing? What you doing, Nibbles? Huh? Clucky? What you doing, Cluck Cluck? Snow White? What you doing, girl? And we got the Naked Neck, Caroline, that just turned around and walked away. And Macy, she's the mama of all our babies. She's about ready to take flight because a couple of them sleep in the trees. Get it, girlfriend. And this is our beautiful Americana, Sugar. Sugar. Hey, Shug. Let's go, girl. Get it. Sugar saying, would you come on, Macy? Let's go. Oh, heavens. Macy said, well, I ain't gonna do it. Let somebody else go, I guess. Come on. She's waiting to take flight. Come on, Mace. Let's go, girl. She's in the tree.